Tender submissions are crucial for business growth, but why do so many of them fail? Let's explore the common pitfalls and the solution. Government tenders represent significant opportunities, but remember, every lost tender is a loss of potential revenue. The stakes are incredibly high. Several factors contribute to tender submission failures. Understanding these common reasons is the first step toward improving your success rate. One of the top reasons is incomplete or incorrect compliance. Missing mandatory criteria or failing to meet technical specifications leads to immediate disqualification. Relying on Excel sheets for managing tender data introduces disorganization, manual errors, and slows down your entire process. It's simply too risky for high-value tenders. Missing deadlines or failing to incorporate crucial amendments can also cause failure. Late submissions are usually rejected, and ignoring updates means submitting non-compliant proposals. An inefficient pricing strategy, where your cost doesn't align with the value offered, will make you uncompetitive, either by being too expensive or undercutting your true value. A less obvious but significant financial loss is missing the recovery of your earnest money deposit or bid security, often leading to unnecessary money loss for your company. Looking at these errors, think to invest in a dedicated tender compliance system. It's not just a tool for compliance, it's an investment in your success, safeguarding your bids and maximizing your revenue potential.